Matheus.
Obrigado por tudo. Tchau, tchau.
Boa viagem.
Muito obrigado. Vem. And it's time to say goodbye. Bye. Made it to the airport and sorry about the noise. So actually a kind of shitty thing just happened. We were trying to find a place to have breakfast. We thought about going to the place that we went yesterday. While we were walking towards it, two ladies stopped us and they were like, "Do you guys speak Portuguese? It's just that there's this guy following you." I looked back and there was this weird guy following us. We went to the place that we had breakfast. He crossed the street as well. The guy was standing outside like this, just looking at us. Really creepy. So yeah, but we made it. We're safe. Everything's alright. I'm just a little bit hungry because I haven't had anything to eat yet. So yeah, that's the mission now. Find something to eat. This bag is amazing, guys. Now it's like this kind of suitcase, duffel bag, whatever. And I just found a place that has burritos. It was so good. My belly is full. I got plenty of time before my flight, so just relax. That was a really good burrito.
Com informações acerca da nossa chegada.
Latam Airlines, you could give us better snacks than this little thing. I'm hungry. And now I'm gonna take some time to finish some work before going back to Batuba. So yeah, that's the plan. Maybe find something to eat. I just found a Subway here, so yeah, I'm at home already. So for some reason, Starbucks was cheaper than Subway. I really don't know why, but I guess we're going with Starbucks now. Pretty good. My battery is dead. I need to find somewhere with an outlet. I see there's a co-working space, so probably where we should go. And can I just say again that I love this backpack so much. It's like so useful. It can become a suitcase, it can become a separate backpack. It's amazing. And then you can put all together. Incredible. Yeah. Thank you, Osprey. They didn't send me anything, but I wish they did. Yeah. Back to work. Time to go back to Batuba.
Acho que sim.
So, a quick stop in the middle of the road. Not in the middle of the road, but you get it. To finally get a good coxinha. That's my mission. A good coxinha. A real coxinha. So much better. Oh, they put sugar on it. Say no to sugar on the coffee. I'm gonna eat now. Bye.